Hi everybody, the 300R has been a phoenix. It's been selling well when it was relaunched as the BS6 version. So we gave it the crash guard that you guys have liked so much. Now the good thing about this crash guard is it is discreet and it does the job very well. It's made out of 1-inch pipe, it's hardly visible on the motorcycle chassis, just blends with it. And it comes with a pair of very solid polymer sliders. Now the sliders, as you guys know, aid in case of a fall or a slide, preventing the tank or the engine from brutal scratches. At Zana, we make sure that these crash bars are compatible with not only the Zana bash plate but the plastic one too. These small practical usages that these parts deliver will be loved by all of you, we are sure. And we continue to improve all these parts as per your feedback time and over again to come up with parts that are not only beautiful, practical but really strong. So the 300R, remember, these discreet, very practical, very usable crash bars from Zana, priced at a very competitive 4,800. Not only look sleek and discreet, they're priced really competitively. We hope you like them, love them and buy them. Thanks for watching this video. Ride safe.